Please excuse the mess on the table here. Been quite busy with upgrades and whatnot and haven't cleaned up yet. So I just thought I'd make a quick video showing your machine in action. And it is the Anet A8 3D printer, and it seems to be working quite well. Printing a little insert for my socket set because it's the plastic one's all broken in there. Sun must have got to it or something. Anyway, I'll just show you what the improvements I've built. They're all parts you can download off Thingiverse. First things I've built were these. They turned out pretty good. Quite happy with them. Yeah, 4 adjustment screws. Next was the tensioner on the back down there. That turned out fantastically. Couldn't believe it. It's great. Then it was this tensioner. That turned out great as well. I made those little knobs. They don't actually fit properly because they are for those nuts behind it, but I used lock nuts front and back, and so I just put a bit of blue tack on there. And what did I do next? Oh yeah, next I made the surround and the control buttons. They're not that great. You can see this one here just all moves around. But hey. And then I made that spool holder. And what else? Then I made the tool holders. One on either side. And I made the chain. And the chain turned out fairly well. I done a kneel in boiling water for 5 minutes. Probably was a little bit too long. It shrunk a little bit too much for my liking. But that loosened it right up. Wow, it was chalk and cheese. But the thing was that it sort of made that part a bit loose there. Yeah, so really happy with the way this printer's going actually. But, oh yeah, I'll make this as well. All the parts in green are made. I'm using green because I think it looks pretty good. Got a little bit of few missing lines here and there on it. I think it's under extrusion. We'll get to the bottom of that, but mainly they're pretty good. So yeah.